Hi there guys, FS Coach your mentor and we back again. I hope you guys are all good. I'm going to show you guys how to analyze GBPJPY and how to analyze gold. So another thing that I want you guys to know is we've been trading the Forex market for more than 6 years now. And at this current moment in the month of April, we haven't yet lost a single trade in a free Telegram group. And if you guys want to be a part of it, make sure to click the link in the description below and get to make money for free while you learn how to trade Forex. So far, we've given USDJPY, hit take profit. We also gave GBPUSD. It also hit take profit. We gave Nasdaq, which also hit take profit. And lastly, we gave a gold trade, of which that was yesterday. And I also hit take profit. So if you want to become part of the family, don't forget to join our free Telegram group. Without any further waste of time, guys, let's start the video. I want to start analyzing gold first. I want to clear my chart and we're going to start afresh. This is what we got so far. Usually when we start, guys, we start from a higher time frame. And the reason for that is because we need to be able to see the overall direction in order for us to make valid decisions. So you can already see from the past that the market was able to break through the previous highs. Ever since then, we've been on a very strong bullish momentum. We were able to break outside this region over here. And currently, we can see that gold has created for us a new high. So now, guys, we are done over here. I want to go to the 4-hour chart to really see what has been happening in the current market. Another thing that we can see before I go in deeper, we can see that gold has been on a very strong bullish momentum, right? We've been inside this consolidation and then we finally were able to break outside this area, continuing all the way towards the upside. So now I'm going to go to the 4-hour chart. And in the 4-hour chart, guys, first things first, we zoom in, zoom out. This was the previous neckline, of which it was acting as a resistance, and the market was able to break above this area over here. And now we are currently playing inside this region. Another thing that we need to see is that gold has been inside a bullish trend. This is an uptrend that gold has been in, meaning that for as long as we're still inside this uptrend, guys, we're going to look for buys until we are confirmed for overall sells. So that's all we have on a 4-hour time frame. Currently, this is what we can see. Gold has been playing around this area. You can already see that we had an impulse move correction, impulse move correction, impulse move correction, impulse move correction, and this might be a further impulse towards the upside. So now from here, I'm going to go to the 1-hour time frame. So back in the 1-hour time frame, guys, we're going to see what the market is currently doing right now. To cater for this area over here, guys, you can still move your uptrending resistance all the way to cater for this touch with this touch as well, just so your charts are more cleaner. So when we go deeper, guys, you can already see that the market has been respecting our buy zones and our sell zones. We can see that previously the market was struggling to cross above this level, and the moment we were able to cross, we had a retest and finally bounced on top. And from here, the market has been failing to break this support. And that is why when we came back again, we knew that we're going to look for buys going all the way towards the upside, because we were a very strong support area at this level over here, right? And currently, guys, you can already see as well here that we do have a nice, strong resistance structure. And that shows us that we do have some selling pressure that is coming over here. We can see that the market has been respecting our support and resistance areas. Previously, the market was failing to push above this area. And again, the market was struggling to break our resistance over here. But once we're able to break, it came back and became a support. So we know this is a very strong support and this is a very strong resistance. Another pattern that I want you guys to look out for is obviously the double bottom pattern, or you can also call it the double bottom formation, whereby you can see over here the market came all the way to actually create our first low, gave us a retest and gave us a second low, signaling us and showing us that the buyers are actually strong and they were able to overtake the sells, pushing the markets towards the upside, breaking the previous high. And then from there, when it comes back to retest our neckline, this gives us an entry whereby we can take a very solid buy from here. And this is one of the signals that we also gave in our free group as well. So currently, guys, we can see that gold is trapped inside this region, meaning that in order for us to go for sales, we need to see gold respecting this small bullish pattern. Trends in trends, we can see already here we have a small bullish pattern inside this trade. So this confirms for us, guys, if we're looking for sales, when we see the market breaking outside this area, giving us a retest in order for us to look for overall sales, and when we see the market going above this area, giving us a retest to look for those overall buys towards the upside. And the reason I wanted to have this retest over here is obviously because we can see that we are still below our resistance, and the moment we're able to break our resistance, that is signaling for me that we're able to push all the way towards the upside. Another thing that we do, guys, just to confirm our entries, is obviously we also apply the FSCO for Bono, so we can see that yes, it is confirming that we do have a very strong bullish momentum that is happening on gold. Currently we're in a bullish trend. We need to see gold breaking below this demand zone before we can look for sales to our strong lows. Then from here, we can either expect the market to go up or go down. So basically, guys, when you become a trader, you need to always improve your strategy, and that is how you remain profitable in the long term. Basically, as a trader, guys, it's not only about formulating trading strategies, but it's also about working on your analysis and also developing a winning mindset. So when you want to know what separates a winning trader from a losing trader, it's mainly from your psychology. Are you working to improve your trading? Are you working to improve your psychology? You need to be able to master yourself, and you need to be able to have self-mastery in order for you to understand the market. Because I can spend the whole time here teaching you guys how to trade, but if you don't put in the hours to actually read the charts and implement the things that we teach you guys, your life will not change. I know for a fact that a few years ago, when I was still new to the forex industry, there was many times whereby even if I entered a buy or a sell trade, I didn't have the confidence to wait for the market to actually hit my target or respect any of my rules, mainly because I didn't have enough practice and I didn't give myself enough real trading experience, whereby this is what molds you to become a better trader. So guys, just to finalize this, let me go to the 30 minutes time frame. So for gold, guys, we already took our buys. We already entered our buys for gold. What we want to see now is to look for our buys upon breakout retest of this area over here. You can go for overall buys, and we need to go for a breakout retest over here if you want to go for overall sales, right? So another thing with gold, guys, that you need to know is patience plays a very big role with gold. You need to make sure that you are not forcing your direction on the market. You need to actually wait for the market to give you direction, and you're able to follow the direction of the market. And that is how you stay profitable in the long term. So now let's look at GBPJPY. So with GBPJPY, once again, guys, we're going to start from a higher time frame, look at the charts from a higher time frame perspective, and analyze it moving forward. So currently, guys, we can see this is fully zoomed out, GBPJPY. We want to also make sure that we check out our line chart so that we cancel out the noise. We can see already here, this is obviously our high over here, and this is our low over here. This is our playing ground, and you can see that the market has been respecting our highs and our lows up to so far. So going back to candlesticks, we can also see that GBPJPY has been on a very strong bullish momentum. The market has been on a bullish trend. We can already see that the market has been respecting setup. We can leave this out as a weak creation or liquidity grab, or you can see a liquidity grab over here and a liquidity grab over here. We are seeing that we are approaching our overall high over there. We want to see if the market will have the momentum to actually break this overall high and continue creating new highs. If we're able to cross our old high, guys, we can expect an overall push towards the upside. However, this also gives us another opportunity whereby should the market break below this area here, we can look for sales all the way towards the downside over there, because this will be our next neckline or supporting area. So we're going to remove this once again, guys, and go deeper towards the smaller time frame. Remember, guys, we always analyze from a higher time frame so that we have the overall view of the market and know what to expect from the overall perspective. So currently, guys, one of our time frame, we want to focus on the current market, and this is our current market over here. This is our overall lows, and right here, this is our current overall highs, right? This is where the market has been playing around. This is our current playground. So when we come back to the current market right now, we can see our lows. And also, guys, if you don't mind, you can also put your support and resistance areas. And sometimes your support and resistance area, guys, won't be respected by just a line. You can always use your support and resistance zones so that you're able to cater for the reversals that are outside your charting line over here, of which is your support or resistance, right? We have some resistance over here as well that we can see visible to the eye. We also have another supporting zone over here, right? So this is what we've been seeing currently with the GBPJPY trade. Over here, there's also some sort of a resistance as well, just for us to note it because it was previously a high and the market has been struggling for some time as well at this particular area over here. So guys, this is what we're seeing currently for GBPJPY. I can move this as well to the left a bit because we can see that it comes all the way towards from that side. So with GBPJPY, guys, we've already seen the trend. This is the current trend that we're in for GBPJPY. We're inside some sort of a bullish trend, and in order for us to see those long-term sales for GBPJPY, we want to see the market breaking outside this area, possibly giving us a retest. Then from there we can look for the overall sales for GBPJPY, right? And if I dive in deeper once again from the 4-hour time frame, we can go to the 1-hour time frame as well. We can see that the market has been also inside this small region. We already know where the support here, guys. I'm going to remove it because we've already seen it from a higher time frame. You can see that the market has been in some sort of a consolidation area over here. We had some sort of a double top. That one came back here, gave us a double top. That's how we also had a lot of selling momentum, came back to retest on the neckline before pushing all the way towards the downside, of which is the same rules we applied for the double bottom. The double top is also the same. We had our first top, second top, the market came and broke our neckline over here and had a retest, which we usually give this as an entry, right? This is your sell trigger over here. Very solid sell entry. Make sure you make Forex trading easy for you. Self-mastery, trade what works for you, guys. Trade what you see. You need to understand the market very well. Then you need to improve your psychology. You need to understand loss sizing, and you need to be able to have the skill to turn small accounts into big accounts, of which there's going to be a challenge that we're going to be doing as well with the free community members. And if you're not part of the free Telegram group as well, make sure you click the link in the description and become part of a free Telegram group. And that is where we're going to be sharing with you guys a lot of free signals, and we're going to be running our challenge from there as well. So currently, guys, with GBPJPY, what we have over here, another possibility of a double top whereby the market came, gave us a first high, gave us another second high. If we get that breakout retest from here, we can take our sales, expecting a sell all the way towards the downside, making this a valid entry point. Alternatively, guys, should the market break above this area, we can also see that this is our uptrending supporting structure, meaning that the market is failing to break outside this supporting structure. So we could easily continue pushing all the way towards the upside, making that our small bullish trend. And that is why breaking outside this area, guys, can give us a very strong possible sales, because we're going to be outside our bullish trend. So those are the kind of opportunities that we have looking at GBPJPY. Our neckline, I can put it here. We can see already that the market has been struggling with these lows, meaning that we want to see the market breaking out outside this area, giving us a retest on any of these levels. We can expect sales. And also for buyers, we want to see the market breaking outside this area, giving us the buyers and pushing all the way towards the upside, because previously we can see that this has been our previous highs. So if we're able to break our previous highs over here, that will give us a nice entry confirmation for us to go for our overall buys. Another thing, guys, you always need an extra level of confirmation for a trade. And I want to tell you guys about something that a lot of traders don't actually speak about in the industry, and that is in the Forex market, guys. If you use a strategy that is well known by everybody, let's say you're only using price action and a lot of people are using price action, the more you use the strategy, the less effective it will become. Because in order for you guys to become part of the 2%, in order for you guys to become part of the 5%, you need to make sure, guys, you trade with the information that only the 5% has access to. So how we trade, guys, is by understanding price action, understanding liquidity, understanding psychology, and most importantly, also understanding market structure. So using our TradingView software, we're able to see the areas that can help us take an entry. You can see already here, our demand and supplies are telling us this is a very strong supply zone. If we're able to break above this area over here, it's a very strong high, we can push above. And if we're able to break below this area, especially our buy zone over here, then it's a confirmed sell all the way towards the downside, right? So those are just the small confirmations that we use that can help us set our stop loss and take profit for our trades, so that we know where the liquidity is and be able to benefit from our trading setups, right? So you can really see for stop loss take profit, and from there you can really see that your trade is secure. So currently guys, with GBPJPY, this is what we have. If you like the video guys, make sure to click the like button, leave us a comment in the comment section, and most importantly, don't forget to share the video. And just like that guys, see you next time. If it's good, your mentor signing out.